Hi there, my name's Jake, and I'm the Pharmacy Technician Supervisor here at Lock Haven Veterinary Hospital. Today, I'm joined by Dr. McIntosh, and I have just a few questions about cat acupuncture that we're going to go through. First, Dr. McIntosh, what is cat acupuncture?
Acupuncture is the practice of placing needles in particular locations in the body to stimulate the body's response.
What are some symptoms and conditions that cat acupuncture may be able to treat?
We've treated a few conditions in cats with acupuncture. Usually it's painful conditions like arthritis. We can do things like neurologic conditions. We've treated GI problems like diarrhea and chronic problems like kidney issues.
How well do cats tolerate acupuncture?
That depends on the cat. Depending on the cat, some cats tolerate it better than others. It also depends on the problem. If it's a particularly painful problem, we might have you pre-medicate your kitty before they come in so they're less stressed when they come into the vet.
How will a veterinarian diagnose the need for cat acupuncture?
So based off of a physical exam and depending on what your cat is diagnosed with, we can decide whether or not acupuncture is going to be a good tool in that toolbox for treatment.
Are there any risks or side effects associated with cat acupuncture?
So there's not a lot of long-term side effects, but a couple of things that you can see is there might be a little bit of bleeding from the actual site of the needle puncture. But for the most part, if they're a little bit lethargic the day after or the day of acupuncture, they're usually right back to normal by 24 hours later.
What should I expect during my cat's acupuncture session?
So depending on the cat, whether or not they tolerate it well, typically we sit down, we have a blanket or a bed, we put the kitty there, make sure they're nice and comfortable, go ahead and place the needles, and then those needles stay in for a period of time.
Thank you, Dr. McIntosh.
Thank you, and if you have any questions about acupuncture for your cats, you can certainly make an appointment and we can talk to you about how it may help.